the papa. Hey, Papa Mo, Papa Mo. Mpa, the beautiful woman is here. Yes.
Hey, is she yellow or black?
She don't in fact don't worry about the color, but she's okay. Go
come.
Hey,
I like her perfume.
I
know.
Hey.
Kela wono. Ona ru okute.
Mpa.
Huh?
Mpa, calm down, don't go there. This thing na tiaroba.
Wetin come strong like this? She dey say stone. Onye ọ na-ama nkume. Hey. Chineke. Lekwe na ebe akpụ gbakọrọ. Olu.
Mpa.
Where you carry this onye akpụ obi come?
Mpa. No go there, oh. No go there at all. The woman beside you na tiaroba. Rubber. Tiaroba. So they never go there. They never touch anything.
A woman be Zumorok because everywhere which kind of woman come be this way no dey romantic at all? Go wono.
Mpa.
You uncle call.
Oh. Mpa, why are you even interested in the breast? Why are you interested in the breast?
It's part of what we bargain for now.
See, Mpa, if you must go further, you do the necessary things. We are here for she's here for business. You pay her bride price.
I should pay bride price for stone.
No.
Hey, Obamba.
Mba.
Is she a wrestler?
Mpa, in fact,
go do your cousin. Which kind thing be that one? I say more beauty. Hey, listen, Nemo. Oluwa. Kilo wonu.
Mpa.
What is this?
Mpa wo.
Oluwa kilo wonu wa honu dro onye no ni ya wo keko wan.
Mpa on nature. Is hereditary. D3.
Is it dormitory kesen?
Hostel. Mpa happy ya. Oshi na agburu ha.
Oshi na agburu ahụ.
Mpa, if you see her mother's own, your own is still learning. This beautiful downstairs. This is a very beautiful downstairs you are seeing, oh.
Oluwabo. What you go find for her downstairs?
What
you go find for her downstairs? You man downstairs, yeah, the beautiful. So now from family of Aji, now you go carry woman come from.
No, Mpa.
But one of like this can't be a full for her mouth like this. What if you go down?
Mpa, try to understand.
Abanye a forest or evil forest. What kind of thing is this one? Only I do tell she shake a plank. See how everywhere come.
Mpa, na so their body day. Day.
Onye awonye mgba. Onye awonye kere mgba.
I say mpa ha na arubu. Now waiting their grandfather, their great grandfather they do. So you supposed to understand. How I wish you they see you, Papa. If you see this beautiful girl. Hey, mpa gara champion. Mpa, if you doubt me, if you carry her go inside, check.
Mara champion. Onye na-ataka? Who the momo? Who the momo?
Mpa, na she
wono.
Mpa, akwesi chọrọ onye ogbo ma onye ihe. Onye nke awo onye ngworo. This one no be cripple human being. Na deaf and dumb.
All this way they talk here now. I need to confirm before I go continue this thing. Which kind of thing be that one? Let's what is her name?
Her name na Atachiri. Atachiri.
Lord of Jesus.
If you want come make the name make it dey romantic, you come call am Ata.
Huh?
Ata. But if you want, no, if you want to make the name long, only Chimeka aha togologo. Ikpo ya Ata.
Anybody will give her this name must be a witch. No wonder her ji were ata. Her mama name ko.
Tana.
Ya nwa Atachiri. The mama Tana. Ihe ọtụtụ biko the papa nko.
Atani.
Ọbara Emmanuel. Elu the family tata jiri ihe ke. Ha ga-atagbu m o. They go chop me finish. Which one be nwata Atachiri, from Atachiri to Atata, from Atata to Tana, from Tana to Ata. Ata the ham. You know what? Let's go inside. Ele tongwa. Krite.
Oya.
Atachiri go. Ngwa.
Atachiri oya na go ka ata gị.
Nga me lele otonya uri.
Atachiri.
Nga.
Mpa. Onya gị mara ọzọ o.
Onye ka m ji?
Ọ mụ nụ.
Ka m ga-apọ. Ele hi were aka gị tigam. Aye na Atachiri go.
Atachiri, bring your hand now.
Ele ye pon.
Go close.